I will show you make a duotone double exposure effect in Photoshop. Click crop. Copy settings. Click brush tool. Double click on colors. Trace color. Press OK. Copy settings. Hold Ctrl and press O, and select same picture. Drag picture. Hold Ctrl plus T, and adjust picture. Right-click and select flip horizontal. And adjust picture. Select background layer. Open lock. Open layer styles. Select blending options. G off and B off. Press OK. Select second layer. Open layer styles. Select blending options. R off. Press OK. Complete design. Thanks for watching.